welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Charlene. Director General of Police Jaspal Singh said that Goa's status as a popular tourism destination has unfortunately made it a target for human traffickers who see it as a ready-made market. Singh pointed out that this factor has led to instances of certain human trafficking within the state. He was speaking at the Anti-Human Trafficking Conference organized by the Anti-Human Trafficking Unit.
कि यहाँ पर इस तरह की तस्करी की इंसिडेंट्स नहीं है, चूँकि गोवा एक पर्यटक राज्य है जिसमें के जो ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकर हैं वो ये समझते हैं कि एक रेडीमेड मार्केट मिलती है कि यहाँ टूरिस्ट आता है और उस तरह के आप उसको प्रलोभन दे सकते हैं, क्योंकि गोवा में किसी को बाहर से इंड्यूस करके लाना आसान रहता है कि गोवा में टूरिज़्म इंडस्ट्री है, आपको वहाँ हम किसी होटल में रोज़गार दे देंगे, आपको किसी रेस्टोरेंट में रोज़गार देंगे। बाद में जब कोई भी यंग लड़की यहाँ आके महसूस करती है कि उसके साथ धोखाधड़ी हुई है, ऐसे हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशंस में भी, लेकिन ये कोई सेंटर पॉइंट नहीं है कि यहाँ से बाहर कहीं तस्करी हो रही हो। जो आपने बोला है कि जो एडवर्टीजमेंट्स आती हैं प्रेस में कि आपको जॉब का झांसा देते हैं, वो हमारा जो इकोनॉमिक ऑफेंसेस विंग है, जब भी कभी कोई प्रेस में इस तरह की इश्तिहार आता है, जब पैम्फलेट आता है, तो उसको हम इकोनॉमिक ऑफेंसेस सेल में भी मार्क करते हैं ताकि उनसे ये वेरीफाई कर लें कि इनके पास प्रोटेक्टर ऑफ इमिग्रेंट्स का सर्टिफिकेट है या ये कहीं बाद में जाके किसी जगह पर गलत तरीके से इनको ले जाके ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग का अटेम्प्ट तो नहीं है। तो ये हम एक प्रयत्न जरूर करते हैं।
Concern were raised over alarming rise in human trafficking cases post-COVID across India. According to DWCD, around 32,700 cases were reported in just 6 months of post-COVID. A state-level anti-human trafficking conference was held in Panjim on Friday.
बच्ची अकेले आ रही है, कौन बच्चा अकेले आ रहा है, कौन एलोन फैमिली का है, किसके साथ लोग हैं, किसके साथ परिवार है। जो ऐसे विक्टिम थे, जो एलोन थे, उनसे दोस्ती किया, उनको सब जुगाड़ दिखाया कि तुम्हें नौकरी दे देंगे, तुम्हें पढ़ा देंगे। ऐसे लोगों को 115 लोगों को उस बॉर्डर पे हम लोगों ने ट्रेस किया। आप कैसे कह सकते हैं कि कौन ट्रैफिकर हो सकता है जब इस स्तर तक के जाकर के काम कर सकते हैं और ये इतना बड़ी सोच और इतना बड़ा गेम कर सकते हैं। कोविड-19 के कारण शिक्षा में मुद्दा अलग होने वाले बच्चे, ये तो आपको मिल जाएगा, एक एनसीआरबी का डाटा है 2022 का। ये पता नहीं, मैं इसका जिक्र इस नाते हर जगह कर देता हूं कि ये कोविड के दौरान केवल 6 महीने का एक कार्ड ट्रेस किया गया था। सभी एनएचआरसी ने सभी स्टेट्स को लिखा था, जिसमें 27 लाख कॉल उनके पास आए हुए थे, डिस्ट्रेस कॉल थे। 32,700 केस उसमें ट्रैफिकिंग के थे। कोविड के दौरान ओनली 6 मंथ का ये डाटा है और डीडब्ल्यूसीडी ने किया था। इसको लेकर के एनएचआरसी ने सभी स्टेट्स को पत्र लिखा था। आप इससे अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं।
A massive fire engulfed the Talegaon field on Friday afternoon, leaving smoke and residue emission into the residential apartments nearby. Fire and emergency services reached the spot on time to douse the fire.
On Friday afternoon, a massive fire erupted in a field at Talegaon, engulfing the vegetation of the surrounding. Locals immediately called the fire brigade to douse the fire. In no time, the team arrived at the location and began their work. The flame was so enormous that the water from 2 fire trucks was unable to douse the fire. As per locals, after an hour, around 90% of the fire was extinguished and a 3rd truck was on its way. Residents nearby complained about the smoke and residue entering their houses. The cause of the fire is not known yet. Police are investigating the matter thoroughly. Sagun for Herald TV.
In a terrifying incident, 4 major blasts took place at the Kairav Rolling Mills furnace in Bicholi on Thursday evening at around 7 p.m. The locals noticed the thick smoke billowing from the factory. Upon receiving a distress call, the Bicholi Fire Service rushed to the site and doused the fire immediately. Fortunately, no injuries were reported during the incident.
Residents of the Hillview colony in Bicholi were terrified as 4 major blasts at the Kairav Rolling Mills furnace rocked the Muslimwada area on Thursday evening at around 7 p.m. The residents were horrified as the blasts shook the walls of houses at Hillview colony, located about 500 meters away. Some narrated that they thought an earthquake had occurred. As per reports, the blast occurred at a boiler while melting metal scrap. The factory melts metal and the blast reportedly took place because the water got mixed in the furnace. The Bicholi Fire Services said they got the call at 7:10 p.m. The team rushed to the site and doused the fire quickly. It took an hour and 10 minutes for 4 fire personnel to extinguish the fire. The Bicholi police have registered a fire accident case and an inquiry is on.
In response to the 4 major blasts reported on Thursday night at the Kairav Rolling Mill, Bicholi MLA Dr. Chandrakant Shetye questioned the mill authorities about the people responsible for the blasts. He further stated that an FIR would be lodged and an immediate apprehension against those held responsible for putting people's lives in danger.
On Friday, Bicholi MLA Dr. Chandrakant Shetye along with the Pollution Control Board, Police and Fire and Emergency Department officers visited the Kairav Rolling Mills in Muslimwada where 4 blasts were reported on Thursday night. The blast was so intense that it shook the neighboring houses, convincing the residents in believing that it was due to an earthquake. MLA enraged with the incident questioned the mill authorities of those responsible behind the act. The locals who had accompanied the MLA asked about their safety methods. They demanded that immediate apprehension be done of the perpetrators for putting the lives of innocent people in danger. Devendra for Herald TV.
ऑफिसराकडे विचारला. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माझो एक क्वेश्चन आशिल्लो हांगा एक्झॅक्टली खंयचो बिझनेस चालू आसा, खंयचे कंपनीच्या अंडर चालू आसा आनी ह्या बिझनेसाचो स्कोप म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंटान हाका कितें कितें लायसनां दिली. म्हाका इतलेंच सांगूंक वायट दिसता आमचो येदो व्हडलो इन्सिडंट जालो, आमचे ऑफिसर्स आयले, एकट्या कडेन एक पेपर ना टू चेक वेदर एक्झॅक्टली वॉट म्हणजे तांकां डीप कन्सर्न कितें आसा आय कॅनॉट टेल. I spoke to Pollution Board member secretary also, जोगलेकर. सो ताकाय विचारला तुम्ही लास्ट ताका केन्ना शोकास नोटीस दिली आनी ताचेर कितें एक्शन घेतलें. सो इन्स्पेक्टरान फॅक्टरीज ताचे कडेन विचारला, तेणी म्हाका सांगला आपूण शोकास नोटीस काडटा, FIR फायल करपाक सांगला, इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन सगळें करता म्हणून सांगला. पण म्हाका बॅक डेटेड जर पळयलें जाल्यार म्हाका व्हडलीशी आय डिडंट गेट एनी सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी आन्सर्स फ्रँकली स्पिकींग. म्हणजे आमचो MLA आसा, सो हांव तांकां सांगला म्हाका सगळी सांग करून म्हाका पेपर हाडून दियात, खंयचे चल्ल्या धंदे, लिगली चल्ल्या, इलिगली धंदे चल्ले आनी कितें एक्शन घेतली आनी लोकांची सेफ्टी. म्हाका एक्शन म्हाका इम्पॉर्टंट ना. आतां लास्ट हांव 2 वर्सां हांगा आमदार आसा आनी एकदां असो इश्यू जाल्लो तेन्ना हांव तांकां सगळ्या लोकांक आनी ओनरान आमकां प्रॉमीस केल्लो अशें परत जावचें ना म्हणून. पण आतां जालां जाल्यार आपूण बंद करून वतलो बी म्हणून केल्लें. मदीं कांय जावंक ना म्हणून हांवें ऑल्सो पूण हें आतां परत परत जाता जाल्यार सम एक्शन हॅज टू बी टेकन. लोकांचो इंट्रस्ट आमकां पळोवचो पडटलो.
In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV spoke to several people to know their opinion on what do they think is there a need to strengthen the anti-defection law with maximum priority.
The topic today is the anti-defection law. The anti-defection law was introduced with the intention of protecting the democratic system, which was otherwise being affected by legislators moving from one political party to another. They were affecting the majority of the ruling party in the House and thereby causing political instability and chaos in various states. The anti-defection law was introduced in the 10th schedule in the Indian Constitution in 1985 to prevent rampant defections that might be inspired by the reward of office, money or other consideration. There are many things that can happen. The government can introduce laws related to defection that could impact re-election prospects. For instance, they might enact laws that impose penalties or restrictions on politicians who defect from one political party to another, potentially affecting the chances of re-election or the ability to hold office in future. In the last 2 weeks, there have been a political defection in the United Kingdom. It's one of the old democracies of the world. So it's affecting them. The 2 legislators defected from the ruling party this time, the Conservatives, to the Labour Party. So it is nothing new. So these defections are happening all across the world. Only way that is we have to find ways ourselves to prevent such things in our local system. And the best way is through the governments and through their legislators.
आज लोक जे आसा थोडी पार्टींचे इतली विटल्या की लोकांक ते पार्टी नाका आसता. तशेंच जे पार्टीचे कोणी रावता तांकां लोक निवडून हाडना आनी थोडे जे आसता थोड्या नाइलाज म्हणून थोड्या निवडून हाडटा आनी थोडी जे आसा हे पार्टी बरी म्हणून ते मनशाक निवडून हाडटा. आमी पळयता की जे अचानक जेन्ना निवडून येतकीर जे पार्टीन तांकां खंय तरी नांव दिलें, जे पार्टीन तांकां खंय तरी जिखून हाडलें, जे लोकां मदीं जनमत कोल जो आसा जे पार्टीन दिल्ले हे सगळे विसरून अकस्मात हे पार्टी जे आसा हे बेडूक जे म्हणटा आमी हे सायडीच्यान ते सायडी माकड जशें आसा माकडा उडी म्हणटाच्यो हे पार्टीच्यान ते सायडीच्यान पार्टी उडी घेता आनी हे आतां सद्या खुलेआम जावपाक लागला. पयलीं अशें जायनासलेलें पूण आतां हें जें घडटा जे लोकां हेजो विचार करना, लोकां भावना विचार करना. फाल्यां लास्टाक कितें आसा हे कितें म्हणटा की आमी उदरगत करपाक लागून वयता पूण उदरगत बीन कांय ना, ही स्वताची उदरगत करपाक लागून हे लास्टाक ही पार्टी सोडून त्या पार्टी वयता. म्हणजे हे खंय तरी खेळ जो आसा माकडांचो खेळ म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी स्टॉप जावपाक जाय. एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ जो आसा वो आसा ऑलरेडी आसा पूण तो खंय तरी स्ट्रॉंग जावपाची गरज आसा. हे अशें जर हें घडत रावलें जाल्यार लोकांनी मतदान करून फायदो कितें? लोक जे आसा कोणा मनशाचेर भरोसा पार्टीचेर भरोसा दवरून मतदान करतात आनी कितें काय म्हणल्यार अकस्मात हे पार्टीच्यान दुसरी पार्टी एक राती वयता सगळे. म्हणटा हें खंय तरी म्हाका दिसता हें थांबपाक जाय आनी सरकारान जे आसा हितून खंय तरी लक्ष घालपाक जाय. हितून जे एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ जो आसा हो खंय तरी स्ट्रॉंग जावपाची गरज आसा. ते संबंदी आतां जातलो काय ना हो बीन सद्या क्वेश्चन आसा. कित्याक म्हणल्यार जे सरकारां जे आसा हेच ते तितून खंय तरी दुसरी तुमच्यान उडी मारून येयले कडेन आसता. पूण हें अशें घडपाक जायना. खंय तरी लोकांची भावना जी आसा हेजी कदर करपाक जाय. जे कायदो जो आसा हेजी खंय तरी खिल्ली उडोवपाक जायना, फकाणशी जावपाक जायना. म्हणटकीर म्हाका दिसता हितून खंय तरी सरकारान लक्ष घालपाक जाय आनी लॉ जो आसा हो खंय तरी स्ट्रॉंग करपाक जाय.
खरें पळोवपाक गेलें जाल्यार पक्षांतर बंदी कायदो जो आहा हो आणखी कडक जावपाची गरज आहा. ह्या पक्षांतर बंदी कायद्याची सगळ्यान अदीक वाट जर खंय लागली तर ती गोंयान. आणि गोंयान तेजे वेगवेगळे काय म्हणटात ते पायंडे घालून दिले, कळ्ळें न्ही. आणि त्या पायंड्यांच्या बळाचेर देशानय तशे पायंडे पडले. आणि खरें म्हणजे ह्या हो पक्षांतर बंदी कायदो कडक नासल्या कारणान आयज अशी वाट लागता की तुमी जेका मत घालता विश्वासान एका विचाराचेर एका विश्वासाचेर तुमकां अशें तुमकां मागीर लक्षांत येता की जेका आयज मत घातले ज्या पक्षाचेर तो उबो आहा तो काही दिसांनी सोडून दुसऱ्या पक्षान वयता. मागीर तेजो अर्थ कितें जाता? तुमच्या मताक कितें किंमतूच उरना. लक्षांत येयलें. आनी हेका लागून आयज कितें जावपाक लागला की अनेक राज्यांतली सरकारां जी आहा ती पळय हेवटेन अशी पडपाक लागल्या आनी एक विचित्र सिच्युएशन जाल्लेलें आसा. आनी तेका लागून म्हाजें मत अशें आसा की एक कडक पक्षांतर बंदी कायदो जो आसा तो पूर्ण देशान येवप ही काळाची गरज आसा. लक्षांत आयलें. आनी ती अशी की हांव तर हें म्हणटा की जो आपलो पक्ष सोडून दुसऱ्या पक्षान वयता न्ही तेका सजा जावपाक जाय. कळ्ळें न्ही. ते केवळ पक्षांतर बंदीच येवपाक जायना तर तेजेर क्रिमिनल लॉ सुद्धा येवपाक जाय, फौजदारी स्वरूपाचो कायदो सुद्धा येवपाक जाय.
Apprehensive of mega projects coming up in the close proximity of the natural miracle spring at Aushel, locals and environmentalists from the area, Seoli and other parts of the state held a candlelight protest where many speakers vociferously opposed the concretized structures in the area and demanded that the spring be demarcated and declared as a heritage site. Around 300 people gathered at the Aushel Spring on Thursday late evening for a silent candlelight protest.
आमचे जेन्ना पंचायतीन फायल येयली फायल येयल्या उपरांत आमी चॅक करून NOC ऑफ हेल्थ सेंटर ती येयल्ली आसा, TCPची तेंचे NOC येयल्ली आसा आनी आमी सगळे चॅक करून WRDचे एक पायपलायन गेल्ले आसा इन्स्पेक्शन करून तांकां सगळे कंडिशना पासून तेंच्या लायसनाचेर घातलेली आसा. तर आमकां इतकी भितर येना की झरे सी नाव आय एम ऑल्सो एन एडवोकेट बाय प्रोफेशन, बट आमकां इतकी नॉलेज आसना कित्याक वी आर नॉट एक्सपर्ट टू सी लायक फ्रॉम वेर दीस म्हणजे आमचे ते झरे पळय आसा आमचे झोरीक ते खंयसरसून येता आनी आमकां इतके नॉलेज नासली बाबा खंयसरसून झरे ब्लॉक जावंक शकता, आमची झर आमची बंद जावंक ब्लॉक जावंक शकता. सो नाव आफ्टर फायलिंग दीस हे आमचे मिटींग बीन आसले हांगासर, सो मी एंड माय एंटायर विलेज माय पंचायत बॉडी आमी सगळ्यांनी अर्जंट मिटींग आपयली पंचायतीन आनी तांकां आमी सगळे डिस्क्लोज केले. म्हणजे आमी सांगले म्हणजे ट्रायड हांकां आमच्या लोकांक की सी इवन वी आर टायड अप बाय विथ लॉ, कित्याक आमचे सगळे कितें NOC आसा आनी कितें आहा जर तर तेंच्यांनी NOC आनी वी आर ट्रायींग टू स्टॉप इट एंड दे कॅन गो एंड अपील एंड गेट देयर फायल्स बीन पास. कित्याक एक ल्हानसो एक एग्जाम्पल आसा की एक आमच्या आनी 23 विलाज येवपाच्या थंयसर आमी आमच्या मुणकाऱ्यांक आनी आमच्या लोकांक लागून आमी ती फायल दवरली. तर फायल आमचे दवरल्या उपरांत तेंच्यांनी आफ्टर 30 days दे अप्रोच इन व्हिडिओ एंड व्हिडिओसून तेंच्यांनी फायल पास करून हाडल्या. सो देर ऑल्सो वी आर हेल्पलेस म्हणजे हे करपाक. सो आमच्या वांगडा म्हणजे आमी एकूच मागणी आमच्या ह्या वशलकारांक की ग्राम सभा आसता तेन्ना खरीच सगळे मेजॉरिटी जावन येवचे, कित्याक आमी 6 जाणां म्हणजे 7 जाणां अशें हे करूंक शकना. कित्याक तुमी यात, तुमी येवन एज अ फोर्सफूल लायक आमचे रेजोल्युशन घेवचे की नॉट टू अलाव एनी मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑर प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑल्सो. इंडिविज्युअल बंगले आसा कितें आसा सो वी कॅन अंडरस्टँड.
This ward of ours is called RRD. So I was born here, brought up here, I am married here, and I know one day I will die here. I love this place very much, especially this ward of mine, because it is very dear to my heart, and this Oshel Spring, which belongs to our church, is very dear to my heart. Since childhood, when we were small, we grew up having bath here. We used to love, we used to clean this place, keep everything clean. We have done a lot for this place, but now we have gone old and the youngsters should follow. So I appeal to each and everyone present here to give their full-hearted support for this movement and see that whatever is detrimental to this spring of ours should be stopped.
With immediate effect.
With immediate effect.
Recently, we moved the court against cutting of trees in Panjim. Okay, we had an andolan, we moved the court. Ata court an assurance dila ki henceforth they will not cut the trees. Actually, we don't trust government at all. So, people's power should prevail and will prevail. Just now, I heard 23 villas. Got a shock, 23 villas. You can imagine the power of the Delhiwalas on the government, and they are going to finish Shivolim if the 23 villas and these villas also which are coming are going to finish. So if all the people stay united and in some cases without compromising, तातून एकट्यान सुद्धा जर हे केलें जाल्यार प्रॉब्लेम जातले. सगळ्यांनी युनायटेड रावले म्हाका दिसता प्रोजेक्ट भायर मारपाक सक्सेसफूल जातले, शुअरली सक्सेस, बिकॉज एवरीवेअर वेर एवर द पीपल हॅव stood united, they have been able to stall the projects of all these Delhiwalas who are trying to control us. And you know that through 39A amendment, Goa is on the verge of extinction. They are planning to finish Goa. That day the presentation was there in Margaon by Goa Bachao Abhiyan. Bhutani म्हणून एक project, 650 flats. कोण आहे भूतानी? भूतानी आणि कोण कोण नावां सगळे आयकली, सगळे पाहिले, सगळे दिल्लीचे खंयचे खंयचे, and they are hand in gloves with all of these and they are going to finish Goa. So let us stay united and we will fight this project.
Gankona police intercepted a fish-carrying container truck which had illegally entered in Goa from Karnataka, bypassing the Formalin Testing Authority and RTO at the Pole checkpost. On Thursday night, the police found the truck suspicious as it was operating without having a rear side registration number plate.
On Thursday late at night at the Polem checkpost, Kankona police intercepted a fish-carrying container truck for illegally entering the state from Karnataka by bypassing Formalin Testing Authority and RTO. Police suspicion was aroused when they found out that the truck was running without a rear-facing license plate. Authorities immediately registered a case and began investigating the matter.
A lifeless body of a man was found in a 70 feet deep well at Atafonde, Moira on Friday. The man is identified to be a local resident aged between 50 to 55. Following a distress call from locals, fire and emergency services along with a team of local police reached the scene and recovered the body from the well. Watch.
वॉर्ड मेंबर आता फोण्याची आताच आमकां कळ्ळें की कॅनेडी दिसा बायन उडकी मारली आनी घरा कोण नाहलो आनी आतां फायर ब्रिगेड आयला आनी
कितल्यांक मॅडम जालें
आतां
few minutes before. Any reason?
No, we don't know the reason. His wife and daughter is in Mumbai. They are informed now.
So एकलोच रावतलो इतले दिसो?
Yeah, he was alone.
In a thrilling encounter at Wardley Mall, Kakoda, Kankona, SCC displayed their prowess on the pitch, clinching a well-deserved victory over Girdoli Club, securing their place in the finals of the 26th Holy Cross Inter-Village Football Tournament. The match was a testament to the skill and determination of both teams, with each side showcasing their attacking prowess from the onset. Watch. That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care. Goodbye.